In this lesson, we will solve a question, and the question is that we have to find out the value of k if x plus 4 is the HCF of this expression and this expression. We have given two expressions in the question, and it says that x plus 4 is the HCF of these two expressions. If x plus 4 is the HCF, it means that these expressions should be completely divisible by x plus 4. So for what value of k is x plus 4, the HCF of expression this and this is a very simple question. Here we will suppose let px equal to the first expression. The first expression is x square plus x minus 2k plus 2. This is expression 1. Similarly, we will write down qx, the second expression, which is 2x square plus kx minus 12. This is suppose 2. So why I have mentioned here px, not pq or pz? Because we have x variables here in the question. If we have y variable, then we will write down p of y. If we have a z or t, whatever, we will use the same variable here. So here we have x, that is why we have mentioned p of x and q of x. This is the first expression, this is the second expression. And then here you have to write down that if x plus 4, this one, is the HCF, H highest common factor of, okay, just ignore this, px and qx, right? Instead of this complete expressions, I'm just writing p of x because I said this is px, this is qx. X plus 4 is the HCF of px and qx. It means that p of x is exactly divisible by x plus 4. Therefore, p of minus 4 equal to 0. See, this is x plus 4. Here I will show you. It is x plus 4 is equal to 0. What is the value of x? If someone asks to find out the value of x, so x, and we will take this 4 to the right hand side of the equation and the sign will change. So x is equal to minus 4. You can do these in the rough work or in the side of the question, right? So as x plus 4 is the HCF of px and qx, px is exactly divisible by x plus 4. Therefore, p minus 4 is equal to 0. So simple. In the first equation, wherever you will see x, just put minus 4 there. So first will be, or we will start from here. Just ignore this, okay? It will be minus 4 square plus minus 4 minus 2k plus 2 equal to 0. So 4 multiply by 4, 16 minus 4 minus 2k minus 2. It is negative 2, negative 4. So it will be 16 negative 6 minus 2k is equal to 0, or 10 minus 2k is equal to 0. Right? But you have to do the rest of the work here, okay? I can do here. So 10, which is equal to 2k, we want only the value of k. We do not want 2k. So what we will do, divide with 2 here, same thing here, it will cross out, and this is 5. So 5 is equal to k, or k is equal to 5. This is your answer, right? Or you can do, or what you can do from here, okay, 10 minus 2k is equal to 0. 10 minus 2k is equal to 0. So minus 2k will remain here. Just take this 10 to the other side. You can use either method. So this negative will cancel out and divide. Both are same, right? So k is equal to 5. And this was the question. So simple. Find out the value of k. It is x plus 4. If it is positive, make it negative. If it is negative, make it positive. Wherever in this equation you will find x, just put -4. In this way you will find out the value of k. So simple, but still if you have any question, please write down in comment section, and thanks for watching.